Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to get free stars on Telegram. Let's dive right in. First, open the Telegram app and tap the three-bar menu icon at the top left. Then, go down and tap Settings. Inside Settings, scroll until you find My Stars. Tap on it to see your current balance. Usually, you can buy stars or get them as gifts, but Telegram also lets you earn stars for free using their affiliate program. Just tap Earn Stars. You'll see a list of earning options. The way it works is simple. Every time someone uses a mini app for the first time through your referral link, you earn a commission when they spend stars inside that app. Scroll through the available programs. For example, one called Buy Sale Star gives you 80% of the revenue from users you refer for 3 months. Pretty good, right? When you find one you like, tap Join Program. You'll get a referral link that you can share anywhere in chats, groups, or social media. As people start using your link, you'll see your star balance increase. You can check your progress anytime in the My Stars section. And that's it. That's how you earn free stars on Telegram. Super easy. Just share your link, invite your friends, and start collecting rewards. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and check out our next tutorial for more Telegram tips.